Welcome to the Full Audiobooks Short Stories channel. The author, Sandy Ingram, holds the print, digital and audio rights.
Jeffrey and Jennifer played right into their family's hands, who secretly planned their wedding from when they were young children. Neither Jeffrey nor Jennifer wanted their family members to meet the people they were dating, so they made the mistake of showing up at the wedding as a couple. Neither knew of their parents' secret plan. Both played their part and acted as if they were together romantically. Family members believed their idea of forging a marriage between Jeffrey and Jennifer was working. It was during this weekend that Jennifer and Jeffrey learned about their mother's secret plan, a plan that had been in effect since they were babies. During their childhood, the two kids were inseparable and only separated when Jennifer went off to college and Jeffrey moved to Los Angeles. Jeffrey got a job at the law firm. When Jennifer graduated from college with a degree in accounting, she joined the law firm as a junior accountant. To this day, Jeffrey is not sure how their parents managed such a coincidence. During the wedding weekend, the pressure was on to make Jennifer and Jeffrey a lifelong couple. They were both asked about a wedding date and promised real estate and large cash sums as a wedding gift. Late Sunday afternoon, Jennifer and Jeffrey talked while they loaded up the car to return to Los Angeles. Two of Jeffrey's buddies were riding with them, so they would not be able to talk during the ride back to Los Angeles. "Did you get promised a boatload of money for our wedding gift?" Jennifer asked Jeffrey. "Yes, and I also was promised real estate in Los Angeles that I didn't even know my family owned," Jeffrey answered. "What are we going to do?" Jennifer said in a whisper. She then loudly added, "I'm going to marry Todd." "Don't talk so loud," Jeffrey said. He was upset because Jennifer already made up her mind not to marry him. In the back of his mind, he planned to marry Jennifer, which is how he knew he would not marry Denise. Now he probably would marry Denise if Jennifer married her boyfriend. Jennifer and Jeffrey were concerned about upsetting their mothers. Life can get complicated when your mother is unhappy with your decisions. Jeffrey was more than willing to give Jennifer her space, yet he was not ready to take the blame for them not getting married. Jeffrey wished his family had a sense of individual growth and the right for a child to choose his path in life. He fully realized if he did not marry Jennifer, he would lose his mother's support, so it had to be Jennifer's fault. Jeffrey knew this was not a good enough reason to marry Denise. However, it was a perfect fit. He would allow Jennifer to marry Todd first, then he would secretly marry Denise. Did he love Denise? He did not. Yet, she was the best wife choice. The moment Jeffrey was back in Los Angeles, he telephoned Denise. He explained that he was tired and he would see her Monday evening for an early dinner. Denise was happy to hear from him and felt that she had made the right decisions. "I will swing by your place around 6 p.m. and pick you up," Jeffrey said. Denise did not want to explain on the phone that she had moved while he was at the wedding, so she suggested that they meet at one of their favorite restaurants. Denise took a change of clothes to work. She wanted to look nice when she saw Jeffrey later that evening. When she arrived at the restaurant, Jeffrey was already there waiting for her at the bar. "How long have you been here?" Denise asked. "Not long," Jeffrey responded. The bartender said to Denise, "What are you having?" Denise replied, "Martini, on the rocks." "Sure thing," the bartender said. Denise decided to speak first. "Jeffrey, I knew about your sister's wedding. She and I are Facebook friends." Jeffrey was stunned. "I just wanted you to know that I moved to an apartment complex just outside of Hollywood." "Are you breaking up with me?" Jeffrey asked. "Well, I was. Then I saw you took your friend, Jennifer, to the wedding," Denise replied. "Yes, we went together to keep our family out of our dating lives," Jeffrey replied. "I figured that much out. What I don't understand is why you didn't tell me." "I did not want you to know how crazy my family was," Jeffrey answered. "We all have difficult family members," Denise said. "Yes, but my difficult family members want me to marry Jennifer, and she is in love with Todd." Denise was surprised by Jeffrey's honesty and alarmed that he might care for Jennifer. Jeffrey realized what he had said and continued, "Jennifer and I are not in love, but we don't want to upset our family." Denise felt a sense of relief, but found the perfect opportunity to secure her future with Jeffrey. "Well, are you planning on marrying me?" "Yes, but we have to wait until we resolve this issue with our families," he casually replied. Denise was happy, yet she remained calm and sipped on the martini the bartender set in front of her. "Are we having dinner?" "I am starving," she finally said. If you have not listened to or read Part 1 of Unspoken Dilemma, click on the link at the top right-hand side of the video and look in the description.
If you enjoy the short stories created for Sandy's YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new audiobooks are uploaded.